Hello all, this is topic 3, lab 3, your first hack, part 1, and I am Sean Prater. Here is a screenshot of a Nmap that was performed on the Keyoptrix system utilizing Kali Linux virtual machine. You can see I was able to identify a IP address and the virtual machines that are operating within that IP address range, also the ports that are open and the TCPs. The Nmap script that I performed is attached here. In addition to port scanning, this Nmap scans to determine which version and path level of an identified operating system is being used, the service that is detected, the version, the potential vulnerabilities, and a lot of probing in addition to port scanning. And the -A command is used to achieve this objective. It gives you a ton of information to utilize and process on a target. Utilizing the less command, I can use my keyboard to navigate slowly throughout the list of vulnerabilities attached here in the screenshot and conduct a thorough analysis. Here's a continuation of mapping and analysis of known vulnerabilities. Just navigate throughout this to help build my attack on the Keyoptrix system. So, through utilization of targeting the Keyoptrix system, I was able to locate a Samba vulnerability running on the remote host. And here is a screenshot of the enumeration where I was able to confirm the host was running a Samba server. We can see here Samba 2.2.1 is running, which is just very vulnerable to a multitude of exploits that I will show you on the next slide. The flaw hypothesis methodology is analyzing the system and performing penetration techniques to gather information on the target system. That produces a list of hypothetical flaws, and based on my findings in the attached screenshot, it shows a Samba vulnerability. And this is a very easy process to exploit on the Keyoptrix 1 virtual machine. And the exploit that I found was a CVE 2023-34968. It is a path disclosure vulnerability, which is found in Samba. And as part of the Spotlight protocol, Samba discloses the server side absolute path of shares, files, and directories and the results for search queries. This flaw allows a malicious client or an attacker with a targeted RPC request to view information that is part of disclosed path. And here you can see the ratings, the impact score, and the other list of vital information to perform my attack. Now, flaws found and the root causes of the flaws. Here I list again the CVE 2023-34968 flaw. It is the path disclosure vulnerability, as I alluded to on the previous slide. And essentially, once the attacker targets the RPC request, you can view any information that you want. With the CVE 2003-0201 exploit, this is a buffer overflow in the call trans2 open function for Samba 2.2.8 vulnerability. This vulnerability allows remote attackers to execute arbitrary code and it lacks appropriate patching to secure this weakness. So you have to be very vigilant. And as an attacker through a penetration test, this is something that we look forward to. So I hope you enjoyed. Here's my list of references, and speak to you soon.